Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to my kitchen. Okay, we're in the pantry today. This is what my pantry looks like. Don't come for me. It's decent. Decent, okay. Here's the pan. It's not bad. It's really not bad. Stock. Bananas. I don't know why we keep the bananas in there. But this is the pantry. And we have to make some changes. I really don't like these shelves. I hate the shelving, actually. And we've been in this house for 7 years, but I did see a video on Do It on a Dime's channel where she covered these with some material from Lowe's. So we went to Lowe's. What did we know? We went to Home Depot. And we got some panel board and some 1x3x6, and we're going to do a quick makeover in this pantry. I actually need to get one more shelf put up in the top of that, so I actually don't have boxes and stuff sitting on top of each other, because sometimes it's not real stable and steady. We're also going to be moving some of our 5-gallon buckets out. I've got some lids for them now so they can actually go into the garage, and so that we can put more things down here that we'll need as far as pieces of equipment. I've got the bread maker down there, and I got a couple other things that I just need to move. So we're going to be working on that. We thought you guys might want to come hang out with us for a little while. We're getting ready to work in the pantry.
Not like this. You're looking lovely. This is a video, by the way. It's not a reel.
No, this is a video. Okay, so we're just taking everything out of the pantry right now. And then we're going to start working on the shelving covers themselves. We've already had it cut down specifically. And I'm just going to nail the pieces together.
So we can have some more room. Careful, Mom.
Yeah.
Okay, y'all, so I'm taking a piece of this paneling. We had this cut down to the size of the shelf, and then we had a 1x3x6 cut as well. So we're putting the panel piece on top of the 1x3x6, and I'm just nailing it in with these panel nails. I wish they had shorter panel nails. We missed on this one, so it's sticking out a little, but we got it perfectly on that one. These are shorter, so I don't need to put 3 of them in there. Again, they're just covers. They're not, you know, anything spectacular or special. They're just covers. And then we do have some little pieces on the side. Jackson just went to get me a sander block, and I'm going to sand that off because I don't want those little pieces and edges and stuff. So I'm going to sand those off, and then we're just going to lay these right on top of the, here, we'll show you. We're going to lay this right on top of the shelf. And it should fit. Okay, why? Why, friend? Why?
It's gonna fit in there.
Well, yeah, but it's probably going to take some
maneuvering.
Lift that top one, sister. See if we can't lift it. Wait a minute. Let's see. Got it cut just a little bit wider. Gotta get it inside of this.
Yeah, I was gonna say maybe try and see how it might go that way. I don't know.
I thought you like sided. You like sided sort of. In diagonal.
I did that.
No, I mean like flat ways. And like
Flat
through
ways?
the side and then try to straighten it up.
Through the side?
Yeah, through that way till the whole thing's in.
Alright, Jackson might be on to something. still.
It's too long.
Well, okay,
Well,
wait a minute.
isn't it? Well, not, I meant, not that way, I meant like too long ago.
No, you just gotta. So everything has to be down because it has to lift. But it'll fit just like that. Y'all, sorry about all that histrionics, but we had to get it in there. So it's just gonna fit right over there. What I miss?
A flavor pack.
At least no one will see.
Oh yeah, I know. I missed that one. I was meant to grab it, but I'm gonna I'm not taking this one back out. But I'm gonna sand the other ones. I'm not taking that one back out.
All right, you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Did you get in?
Yep. Where's the next one?
Man, you know you still have the dustpan on there. Thank you. Look at us cleaning. Mother, Mom, so happy.
No.
Okay, Mom.
All
Mom's
this
not
needs
happy.
to be wiped off. You spend more time on the stove than anybody else. There's a thing. Yes, ma'am?
Yes.
Jackson, go there. Never mind.
Ooh, play all electric.
Hey, Alexa. Play that
Hey,
one.
can the ice machine
Play the song 1,000 Miles, right?
Yes.
Can
Yeah.
the ice machine? So stop.
It's Kid Boy.
I don't want that one.
I don't like the lady.
You never lied.
Okay, let's get those things in. It's just too. Those books are not in the right thing here.
I could just see you.
To stay 1,000 miles away.
You're also on camera, right?
So.
Mom, it's okay. Jackson, that, the book, that, this.
What is this TikTokness?
Recipes.
The Pasta Queen's tips for pasta perfection? She makes hands. Jack. Tell me you hate those things where they were like, I was today years old when I realized, and they show you something and you're like, oh dang, I didn't know that.
What?
I always fail at these things, you know. Because I was today years old.
I hope it bubbles up. I like my one. Bubbles up. Bubbles up.
Wait, we need to go play back and play 1,000 Miles again.
Okay. Alright, this is going in for 20 minutes.
Okay.
And then dinner will be ready.
You put that on 500?
Yes. That's what I said.
Oh, that's it. Is there anything left? Nope. Okay, just clear off the counter. Boom, we done. Bob Trump.
Just